Jack, are you a little excited?
Yeah.
What are you excited about?
I'm a golf.
Golfing?
Yeah.
Okay, you shouldn't be running on this tile. Okay, can I interview you about your golfing today?
Yeah.
What kind of golfing are you doing today?
I'm very good at golfing.
In a tournament?
Tournament?
Yes, have you ever played in a tournament before?
No.
And how many holes do you play in this tournament?
9.
And then?
Then?
9 more.
9 more.
Oh gosh, 2 9s, 2 9s.
Yeah, 2 9. That means it's 18 holes.
That's a lot of holes.
Yeah.
Oh man, good adding, buddy. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. See you out there.